How to get free OnlyFans subscription without paying. First things first is go to your OnlyFans account by pulling up your preferred web browser and logging into your account. Now, once you log into your account, that's what you can see under the suggestions field right here. These are the content creators that you can subscribe for free. Now, let's try and click on those one of them. Here, as what you can see, you can actually subscribe to this creator for free, but you're going to get like a certain limited visions of the contents that this creator is posting. So it's not going to be all of the post that the creator will be posting is visible. So it's only limited access. So you can also check for other content creators right here. So it actually works the same thing. Now, the other thing to do if you want fully access or a fully vision of all of the post from these creators right here is you really need to subscribe to the one of their subscription. But if you want just like maybe the profile or the background for this specific content creator, you can actually subscribe this as for free. Now, the other thing that you can do, or alternative way to get a subscription for free without paying is going to be logging into our account right here. So it's actually connected with OnlyFans. What you need to do is to choose or to click on any of the content creators you want and then copy their names and then paste it here under search on your X account. Now, this is actually the platform in which these creators is proposing to or they're actually advertising their certain post on X.com. So I think that's the only way on how we can subscribe to OnlyFans without paying.